In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Steam not opening on your MacBook. So if you're having this issue, you probably can't even open Steam and get to this menu here anyways, but I'm going to show you the exact process on how to fix this issue. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure Steam isn't running in the background. So what we need to do is press on the Apple logo, and then press Force Quit. Select Steam, and then press Force Quit. Now press Go in the top left corner, and then press Go to Folder. You'll now need to type this in. I'll leave it in the first line of the description. Now press Enter. So what we're going to do now is clear all of our temporary folders. To do this, press Edit, select all, File, move to Bin. So it's also worth doing the same thing on your browser. So we're going to go to Google Chrome, press on the three dots, go to Delete Browsing Data, and make sure that cached images and files is selected, and then change your time frame to just before the error arose. And finally, delete data. So the final step is clicking Go one more time, go to Folder, and then type this in. I'll also leave it in the top line of the description. Press Enter, and now select all folders apart from Steam App Bundle. Press File, and move to Bin. So now your final step is just re-downloading Steam. What you need to do is open up your chosen browser, search for Steam, and then just install it up here. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.